Guys, nandito kami sa tuktok ng bubong. Yan, madumi pa yan guys. Yan guys, yun yung kasama ko guys. Yan. Sad boy guys. Nababasa nyo ba yan? This is a bully. Free high school. Elementary. Yan guys. Yan guys. Yung baba ng aming kon guys. Yun naman yung bundok guys. Yun. Oh, yan yung elementary. Doon naman yung high school. Doon guys, diretsong yan hanggang grade 12 na yan guys. Ito yung covered court. Ayun pala yung covered court. Yan guys. Stage guys. Sa baba nito ay yung kwan. Yung stage na luma. Yon. Kumakanta na guys. Yun guys. Bumato pa siya guys. Tang-inang guys. Binato niya ako guys. Tang-ina mo guys. Ano akong binato ha? Tang-ina mo. Yan guys. Yan. Yan. Nagwawala na yan guys. Parang tanga yan guys. Oy! Huwag mo akong paluin guys. Wag. Wag, mahuhulog to guys. Steady natin ang camera dito. Nakita natin ang baba. Yan guys, baba. Kita nyo naman guys, yung baba. Aming pakaralan. Yan guys, umupo na dito yung kasama ko. So guys, welcome to my vlog. Ito, nagtatapos ang aking vlog.